7 or maybe 8. That farmhouse had a wooden tongue and grew front porch. Dog and me would slip down low through the crawl space where the cool dirt flowed. Porch sat high, could sit up straight. Kentucky soil, loose and slave. Whirlwind, quiet shadows played. That ground felt like my own small state. Every Christmas, sometimes more, a brand new tractor from the store. John Deere green, a plow, a disc, 5-row bottom plow just like his. I take a hammer, claw, break that ground. Level fields I only found. Sticks and string for fence line dreams. Built a farm no one else had seen. I was farming under the old front porch, where time ran slow and dreams ran north. A little dirt, a borrowed plan, playing farmer like a grown-up man. That space was mine, that world was wide, acres deep in a child's mind. Before the years knew how to rush, I was farming under the old front porch. Pulled that tractor through fresh cut rows, planted wheat from the feed room door. Grass clippings made a hayfield shine, tastic bales in a trailer line. I'd work that land till daylight faded, never heard my name called, never waited. Mama knew just where I'd be. Farm kids raised on quiet and free. I was farming under the old front porch, where time ran slow and dreams ran north. A little dirt, a borrowed plan, playing farmer like a grown-up man. That space was mine, that world was wide, acres deep in a child's mind. Before the years knew how to rush, I was farming under the old front porch. Then the construction came, the boards came down, concrete poured where dreams were found. 4 white pillars standing clean and tall, but they don't know what it used to be. You can take the wood, the nails, the door, but you can't take what that ground was for. I was farming under the old front porch, learning work before I learned the cost. That place, that time, that patch of ground taught me who I'd grow into now. If I close my eyes, I'm still that boy, hands in dirt, heart full of joy. Long before life learned to rush, I was farming under the old front porch. That porch is gone, but I still know where to plant